Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a fundamental skill for every CAD designer using Fusion 360, learning exactly how to move objects within your workspace. Whether you are adjusting a body, a specific face, or an entire component, mastering these controls is going to make your modeling process much more fluid and precise. If this tutorial helps you get your design on track, please hit that like button and subscribe for more professional Fusion 360 tips. Let's get right into the workflow. To start moving objects, we first need to access the Move Copy tool. You can find this by navigating to the Modify menu at the top of your screen and selecting Move Copy from the drop-down list. For those who love shortcuts, simply tap the M key on your keyboard to open the tool instantly. Once the Move Copy dialog box appears, you will see a critical setting called Move Object Type. This is where you tell Fusion 360 exactly what you are trying to manipulate. You can choose from bodies to move a solid piece of geometry, components if you need to translate an entire assembly part, faces if you are looking to pull or push specific surface areas, or sketch objects if your goal is to adjust lines or points in a sketch. Make sure you select the option that matches your intended target. After setting your object type, go ahead and select the item in your canvas. You will see a tri-colored manipulator handle appear directly over your selection. This handle is your best friend when it comes to positioning. You can click and drag the directional arrows to move the object along the X, Y, or Z axis, or use the curved rotation handles to spin the object to a specific angle. If your design requires high precision, don't just rely on dragging. Inside the Move Copy panel, you will see text fields designated for distance and angle. Here, you can type in exact numerical values to ensure your body is placed exactly where it needs to be in your coordinate system. Take a moment to verify your position from different angles using the view cube in the top right corner. Once you are satisfied with the new position, simply click OK to confirm your changes. It is really that straightforward to reorganize your scene. Mastering these movements will save you hours of frustration when you are building complex assemblies or perfecting your geometry. If you found this quick guide useful and it helps streamline your workflow, please make sure to support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing for more Fusion 360 training. Thanks for watching and happy designing.